We are Bolt, and we asked ourselves, what if an electric scooter was built by rocket and race car engineers? Well, this is what we have come up with. The Bolt AppScooter, and it's freaking awesome. Did you know scooters outsell cars by almost 2 times? It's a $30 billion market. Today, petrol scooters dominate the market. And since older petrol scooters pollute up to 10,000 times more than a heavy truck, they are being banned from major cities worldwide, with Amsterdam starting January 2018.
So our timing couldn't be better. We already collected 3 million from over 50 angel investors, and now we're ready to launch our first public round. With your support, we will be able to build our first AppScooter series and start deliveries in 2018.
Our engineers built an unbelievable electric scooter with a range up to 400 kilometers. It can go from 0 to 45 in 3.3 seconds. To charge it, simply plug it in or take the battery inside. AppScooter comes with a 7-inch touchscreen and handlebar controls. You can use it for navigation, run apps, and remotely control your phone. This way, you have 2 hands to brake. Cutting out the middleman enables us to sell AppScooter at awesome prices. Get it serviced at one of our local service partners or call one of our engineers for support.
How does that work? Simply design and order your AppScooter on our website. Our first batch is sold out, but we're opening pre-orders again soon. With 100,000 configured designs, people are banging on the doors to get one. Really want to have it? Touch it? Smell it? Feel it? Soon, you'll be able to schedule a local test drive. Wait for a local concept store to open near you or visit our Amsterdam headquarters. We are proud of the product we created, and we believe that with your help, we can make Bolt a worldwide success. Get shares, invest today. Just look at that storage space. Large enough for this. Lightweight vehicles that are better in every way.
Lee Johnston's done a good job. What a great day for victory.
Hi, my name is Eva Hakansson and my passion is electric drive. I'm the world's fastest female motorcycle rider on an electric bike, and my mission in life is to show that eco-friendly can be fast and fun, and that horsepower is not in conflict with sustainability. Not at all. Therefore, I would like to introduce to you the new BMW C Evolution. This bike is a lifestyle, and it's the first maxi scooter of its kind. The new BMW C Evolution has a range of 160 kilometers and a maximum speed of 129 kilometers per hour. It has a really great performance and the acceleration is absolutely fantastic. It has 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds, and that will beat almost anything else at the traffic light. My passion for electric ride comes from its characteristics. I always say that an electric vehicle is like chocolate without the calories. An electric vehicle gives me everything I want: power, speed, torque. But without the things I don't want: noise and pollution. When coasting or braking, the bike recovers energy to charge the battery. The recuperation takes place completely automatically, where the kinetic energy of the bike is converted into electrical energy in the battery. Riders of the C Evolution can set their preferred mix of dynamic performance and efficiency by selecting from 4 different ride modes: Dynamic, Eco Pro, Sail, and Road. This is really a wolf in scooter clothing. It performs like a regular, full-sized motorcycle, but at the same time, the low-speed handling is great thanks to the low center of gravity. Beside the new C Evolution, there is also a standard model which has a range of 100 kilometers. Its rated power output is 11 kilowatts, so it can be ridden also with a driver's license A1. You can charge the e-scooter at any household outlet or at the charging station. It is totally easy to use. There is also an optional charging cable. The AC quick charged cable will charge your C Evolution even faster at the charging station. Another ease of use, it is equipped with a reversing aid that enables easy maneuvering at walking pace. Very practical is also the storage compartment. The charge cable or the helmet fit easily inside. The charge cable also fits in this compartment. I really like the split face design. That gives a very dynamic front view. Also, the features are state-of-the-art, like LED turn indicators, rear light and daytime running light. And the full-color TFT display are standard on the C Evolution. It is innovation. It is smart electromobility without relinquishment. It is 100% electrically powered for 100% riding pleasure. And if you want to know more about sustainability, e-mobility, or the new C Evolution, subscribe to our newsletter, Keep Me Informed.